Friends, do you want to speak like native English speakers, like the Americans, the British, the Canadians, or the Australians? Then you must use some beautiful and smart English phrases in your daily communication. It will really make you a pro English speaker. Hello everyone, it's Shourabh here. Friends, today we will learn 5 very common and very smart English phrases. So let's start. Number 1. Very interesting. My way or the highway. My way or the highway. This phrase is like an ultimatum, like do or die. My way or the highway. It means if you do not follow me, then you can just leave. If you do not follow me, you can just leave. Example, the boss of a company is saying to his employee, buddy, you need to do this job the way I want. You need to do this job the way I want. It's my way or the highway. It's my way or the highway. Interesting, right? Another example. Like you are giving treats to your friends at a restaurant and you are selecting some dishes to order. And suddenly one of your friends starts telling you, oh bro, don't order this dish. Order this expensive one. And then you can just say, bro, it's my way or the highway. Right? My way or the highway. Superb, right? So let's practice together. It's my way or it's very good. It's my way or the highway. Number 2. It's very common and widely used in English communication. Cloud 9. Right? Cloud 9. You can use this phrase when you are super happy. Right? Example, when I got selected for UPSC, I was on cloud 9. When I got selected for UPSC, I was on cloud 9. Or Neeraj Chopra was on cloud 9 after winning the gold medal. Neeraj Chopra was on cloud 9 after winning the gold medal. So cloud 9 means super happy. Just remember, always use the preposition on before cloud 9. So on cloud 9, right, means very happy. Number 3. It's on me, right? It's on me. It means I will pay for it. I will pay for it. Like you have gone to a restaurant with someone and at the time of paying the bill, you can just say, it's on me, right? It's on me. It means I will pay for it. Okay? Number 4. Mover and shaker. Right? Mover and shaker. Mover and shaker is a very influential person who makes things happen, or a very powerful person who influences others. Right? Like he is a mover and shaker in the world of politics. He is a mover and shaker in the world of politics. Or the new director of the company is a real mover and shaker. The new director of the company is a real mover and shaker. So mover and shaker means a very influential person. The last one, face the music, right? Face the music. Very interesting. Face the music. It means prepare yourself to be punished or to be criticized. Like you have done something wrong and it's exposed to everyone. So now you have to get ready to face the music. Means get ready to be punished or to be criticized. Example, he was caught cheating in the examination. He was caught cheating in the examination and had to face the music. Right? And had to face the music. He was caught cheating in the examination and had to face the music. Or one day you will have to face the music for your wrong actions. One day you will have to face the music for your wrong actions. So face the music means get ready to be punished or to be criticized. Okay, so these are the very common and very smart 5 English phrases. I hope you have got the complete idea of them. I will give you all of these 5 phrases with their meaning and examples in the description box as a PDF file. So check it out and keep practicing. Because only learning will not make you fluent. You have to practice. You have to use these phrases in your daily communication. Okay? So keep practicing. So that's all for today, friends. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and definitely hit the bell icon. Take care.